Hey challengers, good morning. So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about your excuses. So I've been a coach for a little bit of time, so now you can rest assured that I have heard every single excuse there is in the book. So the reason why I'm making this video is that I want to chat with you about why these excuses come up and give you some ideas on how to overcome them when they do come up. First, let's talk a little bit about what kind of different excuses are there. The one most common and I feel most defeating are the internal excuses. This is when you have those little voices of negativity in your head telling you that you cannot do this, that you are not meant to be skinny, that other people have better results than you, so you might as well just give up. You know, these are you yourself telling you these negative things, this negative voice that's constantly nagging at you and telling you defeating ideas so that you give up on yourself. You have to first acknowledge that where this is coming from and that you do this to yourself so that every time that little voice pops in your head, you can tell it to be quiet, that voice is not going to dictate what your outcome in this group is going to be. This is called a challenge for a reason. We're going to be here to challenge ourselves and step outside of our comfort zones. So you need to be able to commit. And the only way you're going to be able to commit and be successful is if you realize that your excuses have been what have been holding you back. And if you stick with the plan to overcome these excuses. Now, there's another type of excuse that's very common. It's called external excuses. These external excuses are very valid. They can feel very real to us. An excuse doesn't mean that it's not valid, that it doesn't exist. An excuse just means that it's an excuse. And as an excuse, let me tell you, you have complete control over your life and the things that happen to you. Now, what are external excuses? These are, the all too common, I'm too busy, I don't have time to do this, or my husband is not being supportive of me, or, things that happen to you externally, that make it seem like this is not in your control, that you have to succumb to it because there's nothing you can do. Like I said before, you have absolute 100% control over your life and your attitude and the things that you do. Your external circumstances do not dictate your success. If you decide that you're going to do this, there is going to be nobody that's going to be able to stop you. But again, you have to commit. Remember, this is a challenge. The first thing that I'm going to tell you, I read a lot of personal development, and one of my mentors is Tony Robbins. And one thing that he says is that there is no trying. Trying is just failing gracefully. You're not going to try to succeed with this group. You are going to commit to succeeding in this group. If you try, you're already setting yourself up for failure. That means there's a possibility that you're going to fail. If you commit, that means you're going to be doing your best. You're going to be giving your 100% to completing this challenge to the best of your ability. That's all I'm ever going to ask of you. I know these products work. I know these groups work, but you have to be willing to do the work. So, to start today, I want you to comment below this video. I want you to share with us one excuse that you have told yourself over and over and over. And I want you to tell us how you're going to be able to overcome this excuse. After your excuse, you're going to write the words, I commit to losing 10 pounds the next 30 days. I commit to trying my best and giving my 100% to this challenge. I commit to changing my life once and for all. I commit to establishing new healthy lifestyle habits. I want to hear what you want out of this group, and I want to hear that you're committed to making it happen. I can't wait to hear your answers. Thanks for watching the video. We'll talk later.